entire cities, millions of people. Advanced cultures that built monuments still standing today, and then silence. No war, no disease, no written goodbye. They were simply gone. Today, we're uncovering five of the most sophisticated civilizations in human history that vanished without a trace. And the answers will shock you. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel dives deep into the forgotten corners of human history, the stories that never made it into your textbooks. I'm counting down five ancient civilizations that reached extraordinary heights and then disappeared, some overnight, some over centuries, leaving historians, archaeologists, and scientists still searching for answers. Let's begin. Number 5, the Indus Valley Civilization, around 2600 BC in what is now Pakistan and northwest India. A civilization of over 5 million people built one of the most advanced urban systems the ancient world had ever seen. Cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa had great planned streets, underground sewage systems, and standardized weights and measurements, technology that wouldn't reappear in Europe for thousands of years. And then, around 1900 BC, it was over. The cities were abandoned. The people scattered. Their writing system, still undeciphered to this day, went silent forever. Theories range from climate change and drought to Aryan invasions. But the truth is, nobody knows for certain. Number 4, the Minoans of ancient Crete. For nearly 1,000 years, from around 2700 to 1450 BCE, the Minoans dominated the Aegean Sea. They were Europe's first great civilization. Master traders, skilled artists, and builders of elaborate palace complexes like Knossos, a structure so advanced it inspired the legend of the labyrinth and the Minotaur. Their art depicted dolphins, acrobats leaping over bulls, and vibrant festivals. They were a civilization that loved life. And then, catastrophe. Around 1450 BCE, the Minoan civilization collapsed. Their palaces were destroyed by fire. Most historians point to the massive volcanic eruption on the nearby island of Thera, modern-day Santorini, as the trigger. The resulting tsunamis and ash clouds may have wiped out their coastal cities, but some evidence doesn't add up. The mystery remains open. Number 3, the classic Maya collapse. The ancient Maya were a civilization of stunning complexity. They built towering pyramids deep in the jungles of Central America. They developed a writing system, an accurate calendar, and advanced mathematics, including the concept of zero. At their peak, around 800 CE, Maya cities like Tikal and Palenque housed hundreds of thousands of people. And then, between 800 and 900 CE, the great southern Maya cities were completely abandoned. Jungles swallowed the pyramids. Populations plummeted by 90%. Scholars now believe a combination of prolonged drought, overpopulation, deforestation, and constant warfare between city-states pushed the civilization past the breaking point. The Maya themselves didn't disappear. Their descendants still live in Mexico and Guatemala today. But their golden age ended almost overnight. Number 2, the Aksumite Empire. Most people have never heard of Aksum, and that is exactly the point. Between the 1st and 7th centuries CE, the Aksumite Empire in modern-day Ethiopia and Eritrea was one of the 4 great powers of the ancient world, equal in status to Rome, Persia, and China. They built massive stone obelisks, minted their own gold coins, and controlled trade routes connecting Africa, Arabia, India, and the Mediterranean. They were among the first nations to officially adopt Christianity. And then, the trade routes shifted. The rise of Islam changed the flow of commerce. Doubts hit. The empire that once traded with emperors slowly faded into obscurity. its towering obelisks left standing in the African highlands, silent witnesses to a glory most of the world has completely forgotten. And number one, the one that might surprise you the most, Cahokia, right here in North America. Around 1000 CE, on the banks of the Mississippi River near modern-day St. Louis, a Native American civilization built a city called Cahokia. At its peak, it had a population of up to 20,000 people, larger than London was at the time. They built enormous earthen pyramids, the largest of which, Monk's Mound, is still standing today, larger at its base than the Great Pyramid of Giza. They had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. They traded goods from as far as the Gulf of Mexico and the Rocky Mountains. And then, around 1350 CE, the city was completely abandoned. No outsider conquered them. No single catastrophe struck. Climate change, flooding, political collapse, and resource depletion all likely played a role. Today, most Americans drive past this site without knowing it exists. The forgotten giant city of North America. 5 civilizations, 5 different corners of the world, 5 different stories, and yet the same haunting ending. The Indus Valley, the Minoans, the classic Maya, the Aksumites, and Cahokia. Each of them built something extraordinary. Each of them left behind ruins that still whisper their stories. And each of them remind us that nothing, no matter how powerful, lasts forever. Which civilization shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to go deeper into history's greatest mysteries, subscribe. We're just getting started.